if it's your first time watching, welcome. Today I'm doing a girly makeup tutorial. First, you'll need a glitter and matte eyeshadow palette and a small eyeshadow brush. I like to take a close to skin tone matte shade and cover the entire eyelid, stopping right at the crease, as you'll see. You'll definitely want to spread it on as evenly as possible. I personally suggest that you apply 2 coats on the eyelid so that it's visible. Don't add too many coats because we still have some work to do. Next, we'll be using an even smaller eyeshadow or eyeliner brush. Use either a glitter-based white or light silver colored eyeshadow. For this, only color the edge of the eyelid on one side in a branching motion. Sweep it out away from the nose. I like to layer it on until it's visible. As you can see, it adds a nice soft glow. With the first brush we used, take a slightly darker than skin tone eyeshadow. Apply it to just the center of the eyelid as close to the lash line as you can. Do this until you can start to notice the color. Now for eyeliner. I like using liquid eyeliner for a darker look. As you can see, I'm only applying from the corner of my eye, stopping at the center. I made it more thick towards the edge to make my lashes look more full. Now I'm just adding some mascara. I'm actually using Big and Bold from Essie. This works like so well. I put it on a little bit thick for this video. Now for the fun part, highlighter. For this, I'm using a small highlighter brush. I decided to go with a light gold color. Really, just use whichever shade you feel best complements your skin tone. To apply, lightly dab above your cheekbone, stopping toward the ear and brow area. Next, take a small to medium concealer brush and a very light shade of highlighter. You won't want to use too much for this. First, apply to the base of the nose, then along one side running up the edge. I really think it adds a little something, and then, just lightly blend. Last but not least, take a lighter than skin tone shade of Cover Up in a sponge. Apply to the outermost opposite corners of your forehead and the lower edge of your cheekbones, sweeping up. Use as needed. And then I'm just, touching up the eyebrows. Now I'm adding a little blush. Take a soft bristled blush brush and gently add to your cheekbones, sweeping up towards your ears. I really don't add a lot of blush for this tutorial, really. Just a little lipstick and you're done. Today I'm using the shade Ballerina Shoes by L'Oreal. And there you go. Thanks for watching. New video up soon. Sorry for not uploading in a bit. Hope to see you soon. Bye.